Some people enjoy spending time with others, and they also need a surprising amount of time alone. Not because they dislike people, not because they're unfriendly, but because being alone serves a purpose. In this video, we'll explore why some people need more time alone than others. Being around people requires mental energy. Even enjoyable conversations involve listening, responding, reading emotions, paying attention. For some people, that constant processing quietly uses more energy than they realize. Time alone allows the nervous system to settle. When the day has been busy, the mind often continues processing everything that happened. Being alone creates space for that activity to gradually slow down. You may recognize this feeling after a busy day, when simply sitting quietly feels surprisingly restorative. Some people process experiences internally. After conversations, they often reflect, think about what happened, organize their thoughts, understand how they feel. Time alone isn't about avoiding people. It's about making sense of everything they've experienced. Constant stimulation becomes mentally tiring. Constant noise, conversation, notifications, decisions. The brain is continually responding. Eventually, being somewhere quiet isn't just enjoyable, it feels necessary. Wanting time alone doesn't mean wanting to be alone forever. Many people who value solitude also value deep relationships. The difference is they return to those relationships feeling calmer, clear, and more present. Needing time alone isn't always about escaping people. Sometimes it's simply how the mind recovers, just as the body needs time to rest. Some minds need quiet before they feel fully themselves again. If you recognize yourself in this video, you might also be interested in why some people can never fully relax around others, even with people they trust. I'll link that video on screen now.